Elementor version 3.21 gives you all the features you need to build an engaging listing website to showcase your content to the world with a much-anticipated loop taxonomy query. And with significant performance improvements, your websites will also be faster with a 20 to 30% improvement to your time to first byte metric. Now, Elementor and Elementor Pro already give you a whole suite of professional design tools to build your dream listings. These tools include the Post widget that automatically displays your dynamic content in customizable templates, alongside the Loop Builder that allows you to build loop templates from scratch that display them in loop grids or loop carousels, all while adding alternate templates for special promotions, seamlessly connecting to the taxonomy filter, and customizing the pagination and navigation icons so you can stay on brand. Up until now, you could use all of those features to build listings that displayed your individual products or posts. Version 3.21, finding the content on your listing websites gets even easier with the new taxonomy query for loop grids and carousels that empowers you to display your categories and tags in your layouts. Building a travel blog, instead of packing all of your posts into a single loop carousel, you can now display your categories as items to help your visitors find the content that's relevant for them. You can also display tags to help them choose the relevant content by country. This version also includes 3 performance improvements that will reduce your website's loading times and improve your performance scores. I'm talking about a 20 to 30% improvement to your time to first byte metric, a major part of your Google Lighthouse score that can boost your SEO ranking. We also popped the hood to clean up your website's code, which means more efficient loading and site rendering. And last but not least, we've been working hard on lazy loading background images. The revamped feature will help visitors' browsers prioritize which background images to load for a more smooth, engaging visitor experience. That's Elementor 3.21. Update today to improve your listings and boost your website's performance.